Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam. So I'm your examiner. Now I'm going to take your speaking level test. Are you ready?
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
How are you today?
I'm fine as prepared today.
What's your full name?
My full name is Abu Bakr Siddiq Raihan, and my parents and my family members love to call me Raihan. Then you can call me Raihan.
Where are you from?
I'm from Cox's Bazar, because Cox's Bazar is a very beautiful natural beauty in the Cox's Bazar, and Cox's Bazar is famous for scenic beauty and sandy beach. The Cox's Bazar famous sport, hilsa fry, dry fish, and sweet butter. Sweet butter is famous for in my home district, Cox's Bazar. Cox's Bazar is a very visitable place, a Labuni Point, Kolatoli Beach. Then Sajek is a big famous for in my country. That's it, sir.
That's it. Okay. Could I know about your family members?
Of course, sir. I came from extended family. Then we have 6 members in my family, and 2 brothers and 2 sisters include myself. Then my father is a car driver, and my mother is a homemaker, and that's it, sir.
Where's your next plan? After completing your spoken course, now you can speak in English very well. You have spent 2 months with us. So I hope that if you say another 1 month, and you will be pro.
Yes.
Okay. So basically, where's your next plan?
After completing a spoken course, then I will take IELTS course. Then my future plan is I'll go abroad.
Have you chosen any country?
Yeah, of course. I like Australia the most. My favorite country.
Australia.
Yes, sir.
So do you know anything about Australia?
I think they build this natural beauty in Australia. Then it's my.
You are from Cox's Bazar. You love
natural beauty. Then, sir.
Okay. So are you married?
No, sir. I'm pure single.
You're pure single.
Single.
What do you do in your free time?
I spend my free time reading books, then historical books. It's my free time.
Do you love watching movies?
Yes, sir. Sometimes I was watching movies. My favorite movies, adventure movies.
Adventure movies.
Yes, sir.
Could I know your birthday?
Of course, sir. I was born in my district. Then my birthday, 8 December.
On 8 December.
Yes, sir.
Do you celebrate your birthday?
No, sir. I don't celebrate my birthday because it's time waste and money waste.
Money waste. I got it. Your point. Do you love hanging out?
Yes, I love hanging out with my parents and my maternal uncles living there with mine.
Okay, so how many friends do you have?
Basically, my best friend in my place. His name is Rahat.
Now you're staying in Dhaka City. Do you miss your family members?
Of course, I miss my family members. Then I miss my father. Basically, my father is my superhero.
Superhero. Okay. Thank you very much. Best of luck.